I want to find a positive twist to the recently concluded West Indies tour of England this evening. And before this unique series, a lot of us basically gave up on West Indies team as far as Test cricket is concerned. Some of us were simply resigned to the fact that the region was not producing enough players that are technically and psychologically equipped to consistently compete at the international level in Test cricket. Too much of the young cricketers, and indeed the fans, were gravitating towards the shorter, more exciting T20 format and away from Test cricket. Well, lo and behold, came the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown and the eventual restart of cricket with this series and a monopoly on the global cricket audience. Although the West Indies lost the series, we were not disgraced. It's only a pity, having gotten our noses in front, we could hold on and even tie the series in front of that captive television audience. But even then, the West Indies were right there in the eyes and hearts of the fans up to the last day of the series. So despite so much initial opposition to this tour, people saying it was too risky and it was irresponsible of the West Indies board and blah, blah, blah. Well, see it now. This tour might not have saved West Indies cricket, but it certainly provided a lifeline. A lifeline for Test cricket in the West Indies. Well,